أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Viewers, how are you? Today we are going to do the second part of lesson number 12. In the first part we have done the definition and we have read that there are four rules of noon, sakin and tanween. They are Izhar, Ikhfa and Idgham and Iqlab. Two rules we have done and we did the definition in detail and some of the examples also we did in the last lesson. Today we are going to do the second option of the rule, and that is tanween. After tanween, we have to see the letters of Izhar and letters of Ikhfa. Remember that the letters of Izhar, they are 6 in number, and the letters of Ikhfa, they are 15 in number. So the second option of the rule was that if you find the letters of Izhar and Ikhfa after tanween. So now I'm highlighting the examples of Izhar rule for tanween. I'm using the green color to highlight the first three examples. They are like vertical. These examples are vertical downwards, so we can do first the examples of Izhar rule of tanween. It is like you have to see after tanween, if any of the letters from Izhar letters come, then inshallah we have to say it with clearness, with clarity, without any gunna. So we start from the beginning. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It is, please read after me so that you can also listen and practice along with me. It is Sin, Fatha, Sa, then Mim, Ya, Kasra, Mi, Sami, Ain, double Damma, you can say Dammatain, Sami'un. After Sami'un, that the letter is Ain. Ain is one of the Izhar letters. Here we do not do the gunna. We are supposed not to do the gunna here. We say it like with clarity, without any gunna. It is Ain, Fatha, Lam, Ya, Kasra, Li, Ali, Mim, double Damma, Mun, Alimun. So the whole word will be Sami'un, Alimun. We do not prolong the sound like Sami'un, Alimun. No, because Ain is Izhar letter. So here there's no gunna. Sami'un, Alimun. Then we come to the second example. It is at the bottom of the first one. It is Kha, Damma, Khu, Lam, Damma, Lu, Khulu, Khulu, and then Qaf, double Kasra, Qin, Khuluqin, Khuluqin, and the next letter is Ain, Fatha, Dha, Ya, Kasra, Dhi, Adhi, Mim, double Kasra, Min, Azimin. So together the both of the words will be Khuluqin, Azimin, Khuluqin, Azimin. Dear viewers, I have a suggestion for the parents and also for the kids who are watching my video, who are listening to me, that don't stress the kids to do so much of the lesson. Like if we burdenize the kids, like you have to do 1 page, half page or 2 pages, the kids, they can't understand. I mean, the good thing is that if they do 3 words, 4 words in one class, in one session every day, like 3 or 4 words, if they are practicing and they are doing it good and repeatedly they are doing the same lesson, and in the next day they are very good in the lesson, so that's enough. I mean, they have the fluency in the word and they have recognition of the letters. They can connect them together. They understand the rule. So that is the main purpose. The purpose is not that they complete the qaida in one day. It cannot be possible either. So, to say them repeatedly, like say them 2 times, 3 times, 4 times in one session, then repeat them in the evening also, then repeat the same words in the morning time before going to school. So this is the very good practice of the words, and in this way you will learn a lot. You will learn the way that you will never forget, inshallah. So stick on less lesson, but it should be so good, so fluent, that if anyone other wants your help, your siblings, your small brothers or sister, anybody needs your help, your fellows, your friends, so you will be able to help them. You will be able to make them understand that how we have to say this word, we have to read this word. It all depends, like first your understanding should be good, inshallah. Okay, we move on to the next one. This is that is at the bottom of the second one. That is Qaf, Ra, Fatha, Qar, Dad, double Fatha, Dan, Qardan, and then Ha, Fatha, Ha, Sin, Fatha, Sa, Hasa. Noon double fatha nan. Hasanan. So it is qardan hasanan. Dad is a heavy letter and Qaf is as well. But the letter coming after dad, letter coming after alif, that is one of the izhar letters, so no gunna here. It will be qardan hasanan. We move on to the second part of the rule, and that is izhar. We have to see the letters of izhar after tanween. The second option of the rule is tanween. So these are the red examples over here. I'm highlighting with the red rectangle, and we are doing it from the beginning. All these letters, they are ikhfa letters coming after tanween. The tanween can be like double fatha or double kasra or double dhamma. All of them, they are called tanween. We start from the first example. They are seen kasra si, ra alif fatha ra, sira, ain double fatha an, sira'an, and then zal standing fatha za, lam kasra li, dhali, kaf fatha ka, dhalika. So altogether it will be sira'an dhalika with gunna. Remember that ikhfa rules needs that any of the letter come after noon sakin or tanween. We are supposed to do gunna over here. So here one alif longer gunna should be sira'an dhalika. And the next word is ya fatha ya, ta ya kasrati, yati, mim double fatha man, yatiman. And next one is ذال ألف فتحة ذا, ميم قاف فتحة مق, ذا مق, and then را فتحة را, ذا مقرا. Next is ba فتحة با, مقربا مقربا, ta double kasratin, maqrabatin maqrabatin. So altogether the word will be yatiman dha maqrabatin. When I said yatiman, so one alif longer gunna length I gave to tanween, because the letter coming after tanween is zal, and zal is one of the 15 ikhfa letters. We move on to the second line in the rectangle, the red rectangle, because I highlighted these are the examples for ikhfa rule, and the green column wise, that is the examples of izhar rule. Next line is sad fatha sa, ain ya kasra'i, sa'i, dal double fatha dan, sa'idan, and then za fatha za, lam fatha la, zala, qaf double fatha qan, zalaqan, sa'idan, zalaqan. Next is ya waw fatha yaw, mim fatha ma, yawma, and then hamza kasra i, yawma i, dhal double kasra dhin, yawma idhin. Next is zara damma zur, qaf double fatha qan, zurqan. So altogether it will be yawma idhin zurqan. Next one is qawl. Next line, the last line is qawlan sadidan, and the last word is biqalbin salimin. Now this was all about the practice and the examples of lesson number 12. We did the first part in definition and the sukoon examples, and the second lesson we have done the preparation and practice of the second part of the rule, that is tanween. We have to see the letters of izhar and ikhfa after tanween. So inshallah in the next video the same lesson will be in Urdu. Lesson number 12 first part will be in Urdu, and lesson number 12 second part will be in Urdu, so that my Urdu viewers who want me to speak to them in Urdu and to make them understand the Urdu translation and also the tajweed rules and the qaida, to explain them in Urdu. So inshallah I will make the videos for them. May Allah accept all of your pleas, your prayers, your wishes, and all of the good purposes you have for the determined future of your kids and for your family, for your husband, anything you have in your mind, in your heart, and you are praying for that from Almighty Allah. May Allah accept that all. Ameen. May Allah help Muslim Ummah, may Allah help Palestinians, and may Allah make us the true, good, practical Muslims. Ameen. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my video. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.